Hello people, we are here at the repair shop.
Si Madam Vlogger. Yung mga 6:30 mga ulit.
We decided to change our battery for how much? 950, right?
900,000.
Okay. The owner will give us 950 pesos discount. Oh. Hi naman dyan, sir. Baka may ipopromote.
Dapat i-promote
Ah.
mo dyan.
This is one of the customer here in cellphone repair.
By cellphone.
Huwag natin isama yung bata. Bawal. Si Sir Ruchi lang. Okay naman siya, oh. Maliwanag pa din. Dito tayo sa kabila. We are here at Santa Lucia Mall.
Second floor.
Second floor?
Yes.
If you have a cell phone, need to repair, battery, whatever, you can come in. Laptop, you can come in here. This is the owner. Promote mo na. Promote mo yung ano mo.
Sa mga gusto magpa-repair, maaaring pumunta lamang kay Lucia Santa Lucia.
Location ito,
Second floor.
Santa Lucia.
Sa Bingguan.
Lapit sa Bingguhan daw. Sir Ruchi is the owner and the shop is located at Santa Lucia East Grand Mall, right? Second floor near in Bingo. Bingo. That's it. This is it. I think our phone is okay now. We can do vlogging again. And if you need a gifts, here, gift stop. You can buy also here. And those Marias, those Maria shop. Ay! Sweetheart, your favorite. Look at this. You love this dress for sure. How much is that? 900 pesos. It's only 900 pesos. Sige, bablog ko. Pakita ko sa kanya. And this one. This is very beautiful. 900 also. 950. One set. Okay, let's do here. But this is your favorite. Look at that one. I think 950. This one, my best friend is like this dress. Maybe 950 also, right? I will not buy now. I just told her. 950 siguro. Parang tinanong ko na yan eh. Sus Bea, look at this. Your favorite. Hindi natin makuha yung ano. Maganda na, diba?
Ibang kulay pa yun.
What is the color? Ano ibang kulay niya? Tanong lang ha, hindi mo na. And this one, look at this. Very beautiful. They have another color. Look. A lot of nice dress here. And the name of the shop is Dos Marias. This one, ito. Sige, pakita ko sa kanya. Favorite niya yan. This is the color. Black and white. Brown, beige, I think. And black. Okay, this is the color. Thank you, ha. Balik kami pagka ano. Gusto niya to, yung ganito yung lagi niyang suot. Thank you, ha. Dos Marias. Thank you, miss.
Ako pa uwi ka na.
Dito tayo. May kabayaran na. I-try ko muna. 900 na.
Papawis lang, papapawis.
Sige. Dalit ako. There's the shop here and about there. Maybe it is okay now. And they have a lot of clothes there. Well, a lot. As you can see, they have a lot of stuff here. This is the... Oh! Look at this. And this is the name of the shop. Oh. Very beautiful. Magkano yung mga sombrero nyong ganyan?
300 po.
Ah, okay. 300. Sige, papakita ko. Pang regalo, no? Eh, mga t-shirt. 450. Ah, look at this. 450. Tatanong ko lang muna, ha? Tapos babalik kami. Daming color, oh. Different design, right? Look at this. Ang gaganda, oh. Same size? Ano to? Free size or?
May mga sizes po.
Ah, they have a sizes.
450 po small to XL. 480
Ah.
naman po 2XL to 3XL.
Ah, okay. Look, different design. And they have also here. Sell items dito. 350.
Yung mga cup po na nandito, 200.
Ah! Ito rin yung mga nandun.
Opo. Pero nilagay lang po sa sale.
200 pesos. Look. Very beautiful. Gift items. At saka ito. Oh, ito yung 350. Ganon.
400.
Ah, ayun.
Ito po yung mga ano.
Ah, okay. 400. This, the design is here. Complete size din siya. Ganda.
Hindi po. Sa sale po kung anong sizes na lang po.
Ah, ibig sabihin, ano na lang, yung mga, wala na ibang sizes.
Last na mga design na lang po.
Ah. Thank you. May shoes din doon. Oh, shoes. Yeah. Thank you, miss. Very beautiful. Here, this one. Close. There, maybe there.